This is the maddest scientist play I've ever run, and it's very meta. So I'm going to try to describe what this thing is because it's hard to understand, but if you get it, I think you'll get it. And then I'm going to walk you through actually what it looks like. So, turns out we got a lot of great jobs data, right? As you probably know. One of the interesting things that exists inside sales and marketing jobs data is information about who that company targets, because they'll say things like, we're a B2B SaaS company, especially SDRs or BDR roles. You'll work on Fortune 100 accounts talking with them about blah, blah, blah. It says this in their job descriptions. So if you know who they target, you can take this information and you can create an ICP with ChatGPT. Yeah, you know me. And if you can create an ICP, ideal customer profile, with just a company's job descriptions using AI, then you can also create a natural language query that expresses that ICP. If you can do that programmatically, you can pass that natural language query back into my tool, and that means that for the entire B2B SaaS market that I have jobs data on, I can, without you ever contacting me, give you the 10 jobs that include the problems that your company solves. I'm going to say that again because it's a little crazy. Sales and marketing jobs have information about who your ICP is, right? Call it company A. With the information about who your ICP is, company A, I can determine what is the profile company B you should go after. If I can determine the profile of company B that you should go after, and this is a generic profile, I can actually programmatically search my data to identify who fits that company B criteria. So I can go to company A and say, I have your perfect jobs. Let's actually dive into what this looks like so that you can understand. All right. So I use this ChatGPT. Okay. Also, I cheated at Wordle one time. Okay. It says Wordle help request. It was very hard to get ChatGPT to. The word was dwelt. That's not a really fair word. All right. So what I did is I used this ChatGPT splitter. So I took lean data in this case, and I pasted in a bunch of their historical jobs. So 6 chunks, pretty easy. And then I said, great. Now that I have all these 6 chunks, chunk, SDR roles, etc., blah, blah, blah. There's a lot. Great. What are the elements of a perfectly detailed ICP and persona for a B2B SaaS organization? Industry, company size, location, value prop, job title, responsibilities. Great. These are marketing sales jobs for lean data. Like, they give context. Now create an ICP that includes all the information above. So, wow. Okay. Revenue growth, lack of visibility, difficult tracking leads attribution, responsible for managing and optimizing the revenue, like high growth B2B SaaS company. This is the persona, revenue-oriented Randy. How great is that? So I actually then took that to the ex-CMO, and he's like, this is like pretty good. Then I said, write a natural language query on who these people would be. Okay, there's some garbage in here, but then I can actually take that and feed it into my tool and programmatically give lean data the 10 jobs of all 3 million in my database that they should target now. It gets crazier. I did the math, and to do this for one company is 9 cents. If the cost is 9 cents per company, how much would it be for, there's about 100,000 companies that I could sell to. $9,000. not crazy expensive when you're thinking about venture money, especially actually even bootstrapped money. $9,000 to create an ICP that is like super well detailed, that takes in all of the context from their jobs. It's like 2 to 3 months of a SaaS tool. And Microsoft gave me a $2,500 credit. So that's what I'm doing next. I am going to build programmatic web pages for companies that has their ICP and all the jobs that they should target now. That's what I'm building. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. This is the craziest thing I've ever done. I'm going to scale the next month or so and run this against a lot of companies. I'd love to know what you think. Have a wonderful Tuesday. Adios.